Well, hello there, and welcome back to my channel, Subscription Boxes and More with Michelle. And what is it that I have to share with you today? Well, guys, I'm in the Miniverse kitchen, so obviously we have a little Miniverse. I thought we would do another one in the Miniverse, Make It Mini Lifestyle Home. And this is the Series 1, obviously. I forgot to get my tools out. I need to do that. Abby has on her cardigan and her black shirt underneath of it and her white pants. She has on white tennis shoes because the black shoes are too big for Abby's tiny feet. It comes with this little purse, and she has on her headband, which is actually not quite the right size for Abby's head. Abby's head's a little broad across the top for it, but we made it fit. We made it stretch. Alright guys, I'm going to use my pokey tool to find that zip and unzip it, because they don't unzip real well by hand. Maybe this one will. I don't know. I haven't gotten to do one. Nope, it broke. This is why we use the pokey tool. But then I have to worry about poking myself in the thumb, because I have done that. Alright, well, we know we have something that's going to hang, because right there we can see it has the hanger inside. So we don't know if is it a hanging plant, is it a bird cage? We don't know until we pop it open. Didn't make much of a pop sound. Here's our resin instructions. We know how to use resin. Here is our collector's guide. Guys, I think we have a bird. We have a bird. We have a bird. All right. So let's just set that aside. I know we have a bird because here's the birdhouse. And I think it's the cardinal. Let's see what all it says around here. Oh, my headband came off because I had to move my glasses. It says pre-cut pieces, easy assembly. Birds will love it and so will you. That's what it says on that side. Can you see that? And then it's got the diagram, like the blueprints. And a picture there. And it says, what does it say right there? Let's get the magnifying glass and try to make it out. Oh, man. Something wings. I can't read it, guys. Some people can, but my vision is just not. Wing things, birdhouse. My vision's just not good enough to see it. The really tiny print. And it even has like the barcode and stuff on the bottom. Isn't that cute? The details. We have the pet box, the carry home box. And it says, my name is. It says, tweet. My name is bird carrier. This end up. And one cardinal, 3 eggs, 1 nest, beakaboo. Instead of peekaboo, it says beakaboo. Let's open that up. And it's got nesting material inside the box. And then down in there will be our cardinal and our cardinal's eggs. I'm glad I got the cardinal. And try not to drop her. Hopefully you can see her. And her eggs are inside the box. They're really little. It says 3 eggs. I only see 2 eggs. The other one's down in there somewhere, I think. Yes. Hopefully you can see them. I'm going to put them back in the box because I do not want to lose them, because they are tiny. Put her back in there. And we didn't take a look at our birdhouse pieces. So we have to assemble the birdhouse. And it's neat how they have it tied up with string. Actually, it's rubber bands that we will use for Abby's hair. But alright, so there's that. Then we have thank you bag. And we have a home sweet home bag. And this is the one I really want to be careful with, because I want to use that bag art. So let's start there. Feels like I'm trying to cut my item that's inside the bag, because it's up at the very top. Oh, my thumb stuck. Right, let me try to get it out before I finish cutting that, because otherwise we're going to cut it, and I don't want to do that. It's the twine. I'll show it to you. So here's our home sweet home bag, and see it's got like a wood grain, and so I want to keep that to make a picture for our wall. And here's our little twine. Happy Grow Co. Let's hang. Alright, so there's the twine. Let's see what's in the thank you bag. That would be our tools, and our legs to our display, and our tongs. Put those over there. Keep that little thank you bag, because that's cute. Okay, let's see how to put this together. Cut it out so we can have it where we can see it. I think it's probably pretty self-explanatory, really. So I'm going to take my glasses off so I can see these itty-bitty things. Glasses are supposed to help you see, but even though I have bifocals, I cannot see well enough close up. I need new ones. Oh goodness, we have some little pieces and parts. Alright, so that goes there. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Let me see. Trying to see what you can see here. Alright, so front and back. Alright, I think we put the sides on before we... I'm wondering if I should use a little resin to hold this together. I might use a little clear resin so it doesn't fall apart. Because it doesn't seem like it's all that solid. Maybe it will be when it goes in this part, the bottom piece maybe. So there we are so far. And then our roof. See, when I go to push one piece in, another piece pops out. So I do think I'm going to use a little clear resin to hold it, make it permanent. But I'll show it to you once it's joined together. And I dropped it. It didn't pop apart, at least. So you'll be able to look through here or the sides and see the mama bird and her eggs. I'm going to put some clear resin on it. Whoa, not that much clear resin. Not what I was going for, guys. Big bubble came out. Clean it up a little bit. With an alcohol prep. Sorry. My camera's in an awkward position today. See, is that holding? I think so. Put some on this side. Clean up a little bit of that extra resin. And we'll do the same with the bottom. So the bottom stays on. Oops, we got a drip of resin. Use a toothpick and help it along here. It's a little shiny because I got it on and I tried to wipe it off. Got it on parts I didn't want it on and I tried to wipe it off. But it is a little shiny, but it's better than it falling apart. And you won't notice it from a distance. Okay, so we need to put the string so we can hang it. Our little rope here. Through the hole in the side. The roof. That might be hard since I didn't do it before I put it together. I recommend that you put the rope through, the string through the holes before you put the roof on. This is going to be real difficult, if at all possible. I'll have to knot it on the inside. I'm going to have to put it through, I put it through the one hole, I'm going to have to put this one down through this hole and then knot it on the inside. Because really you should put the string, I think, through before you put the roof on. You don't want the roof on permanently before you string through. I'm poking it through with a toothpick. Let's see if I can get a hold of it and pull it through. I'm going to tie it and it'll be on, the knot will be on the inside. I would have liked to have had the string, the knot. Okay, I tied mine inside and outside. Can you see the knot at the top? So it'll hang better. And now I will get my nest. Get my mama cardinal out. And her eggs. Take her little nest and I don't want them to fall out, so I'm going to use a dot of resin. Because these little eggs are super duper tiny. Hopefully that's holding. Seems to be. Attach Mama next to the eggs, because if you put her on the eggs, you won't be able to see the eggs. Let's hope that she's stuck on there pretty good. And stick her nest inside. And maybe I should have done that before I attached the roof. I think I'm doing things a little on the backward side. I'm going to use my pokey tool to try to poke her in there. Got to kind of poke her in from the side, because I glued mine together before I got her in there, and I shouldn't have. So, learn from my mistakes. I would also, before you get it in there, I would stick the nesting material down with some resin. It's probably too late for me to do that. Alright, so she is in there. Hopefully you can... My camera wants to focus on everything. Can you see her in there? You can see her all the way around. Alright, let me put together the display. Alright, so there's a little hook in here, and you can hang your birdhouse right from that and display it hanging up. I want to try... Oops, yikes, what happened? The leg fell off. I thought the bird fell out there for a second. It has to snap, and I didn't get it to snap. I wanted to hang like that, but it won't. It wants to hang sideways. Alright. And I just hit something and it went flying. And while I'm cleaning up, why don't you tell me, what do you think of my little birdhouse? And my cardinal. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's really cute. Tell me what you think. And have you found the cardinal yet? Are you looking? Do you do Miniverse? Do you not do Miniverse? Let's just talk about it in the comments. Whoops, and I'm knocking my cat down. I better be careful. My cat will eat my bird. Do you like miniatures? Do you not like miniatures? Let's just talk about it in the comments. And while you're down there, if you don't mind, could you please give me that big old thumbs up, because you know that would really help my channel. And please subscribe to my channel, and please share my video with others so that maybe they might subscribe as well. And thank you so very much for watching and for listening to me babble. And I'll see you again in a minute in another video. Bye, guys.